terataviense.
I love this for the foliage, said no person who grows allium ever, because the foliage just sucks so hard with most allium that are not of the bulbous perennial variety, but are the just a bulb variety. Their foliage can be extremely suffocating. It can just completely, go over the top of plants. While the flower is starting to come into its own, the foliage looks like no
Oh,
good.
it's gone over.
It's
So
gone
the
over.
foliage comes and you're all excited, and then you get the purple lollipop or white lollipop, and you're very pleased. But then you're thinking, my perennials are dying, are like being smothered here. Or, it's time to put annuals down here. I had a parterre sort of situation, a knot garden, and I'd like to put annuals
Not a
down
garden?
there. Not a garden. It was a garden. Cute little boxwoods, all of which I had propagated. It's like, but where do I put my little annual? There's no room in the inn. The foliage is bad. It's so thick and ugh. Alliums are mostly bulbs, but Allium Millenium came on the scene in 2000. It is a long, long blooming perennial, and it's just so easy to have as a flowering plant that attracts a ton of pollinators, and it's very neat with its little tiny pink or purple lollipops going up, and it's just a pleasure and easy as pie.
And the foliage isn't as annoying as the larger bulb allium foliage. It is actually, like right now in my garden, it's just standing straight up, beautiful green, sort of acting as a ground cover. So it's not a bother the way that if you had a large bulb allium that was just sitting there
Smothering.
until smothering. And did we mention that you can pull that foliage up? If it's starting to yellow, if it's starting to red, turn sort of funny, weird colors, it's not photosynthesizing anymore. And you can pull it up, even if the flower is still starting to flower.
And just like any other bulb, the foliage should stay photosynthesized, feed those roots for your next, bloom the next spring. And allium is no exception. It's just slightly more annoying because it's that much more in the way. But as soon as it starts to not photosynthesize, or as soon as you're like, I'm out, I'll just buy more next fall, you can cut it away.